A Pakistani researcher said earlier this week that China has made a multifaceted contribution to global human rights. Zoon Ahmed-Han, a researcher at the Center for China and Globalization, shared her thoughts with Xinhua at a human rights forum in Beijing.
China is hosting this meeting celebrating the 30th anniversary of the Vienna Declaration. Human rights are interconnected, well-rounded, economic rights, social rights, they're multifaceted. Today, 30 years on, you see China demonstrating that practically. You also see China initiating the Global Development Initiative, the Global Security Initiative, and the Global Civilization Initiative, also interconnected.
She said that China's proposed Belt and Road Initiative is an example of its contribution to global human rights by creating opportunities for people.
Human rights is about opportunity creation. It's about helping the economy grow. It's about people broadening their perspective, giving them a way forward, helping them contribute to a better life, to a higher quality life. The Belt and Road Initiative is obviously creating those basic circumstances in which it is possible for governments to create systems, to create networks and opportunities that can help improve the quality of people's lives.
The Forum on Global Human Rights Governance concluded in Beijing on Thursday. The two-day events attracted over 300 participants from nearly 100 countries and international organizations.